Introducing Moft Carry Sleeve, the newest member of Moft Invisible family. Designed by invisible space folding structure and invisible storage, Moft takes the use of carry sleeve to the next level. With an exclusive structure supported by 21 built-in magnets. Fold out to start to use the 15-degree angle. Fold in to get a 25-degree angle. It's the highest angle you can get among all sleeves, providing you a better posture on the go. The triangle design provides a wider opening while maintaining a compact shape. And the neoprene material makes the storage compartment practically invisible. It magically expands when you need it, but stays flat when you don't. You always have enough room to store all your essential accessories, and no one knows. Whether you're hopping out for a quick meeting, a work lunch, or a study session at the library, you'll be ready. The Moft sleeve is made of customized PU material, 30% thinner but with much more durability. The feather-soft touch feeling with cracked edge paint, while the scratch resistance, water resistance, and moisture protection defend your laptop from daily wear. It'll keep your device in shape for years. And even after 1,000 foldings, the sleeve itself will look brand new. Moft is supporting up to 10 kilograms of weight, compatible with any laptop.
It all started in 2017, when our team of engineers, developers working days and nights to create the WT2 Plus Translator earbuds. A professional translation device empowering simultaneous live translation. We were entrusted by nearly 300,000 users across the globe and become one of the best-selling translators in the world. Since then, we've been imagining to combine WT2 Plus with something extraordinary. Introducing Timekettle M2. We redesigned and re-engineered every detail of the device to not only making it a super powerful translator by simultaneously translating more than 93 languages and accents, but also seamlessly immersing into your everyday life with music. Timekettle M2 is powered by a quantum Bluetooth 5.0 chip to produce intelligent, high-responsive playback while delivering a consistent and reliable connection. And Aptex offers incredible sound transmission for optimal experience while you are listening to music or making phone calls. Each earbud provides up to 6 hours of listening and translating on a single charge, while the compact and beautifully designed charging case delivers more than 30 hours of battery life and allows you to instantly switch between songs with simple taps on the earbuds and even activate your AI voice assistant, completely intelligent and easy to use.
Hey Siri, play the next music.
In lesson mode, simply put your phone on the table and our proprietary app picks up whatever you need to translate and simultaneously play right in your ears.
Là, c'est principalement le calcul.
Extract the recording in history, save it on your phone, or send it to your email whenever needed. Watching a movie or learning from home, M2 works just as great and easy. There's no wrong way to use it, because you can use it in every way. On an important phone call and need to translate all of a sudden, quickly switch to our app to use the speaker mode. Faster than ever. Timekettle is known for our exclusive technology in simultaneous translation. Simply hand the other earbud to the person you need to have the conversation with, and you are all set for highly productive and efficient meeting. Bring it wherever you go. It is a device for your everyday music, but more importantly, you now have access to opportunities boundlessly, even offline. Timekettle M2 is more versatile and capable. It is the first wireless perfection offering seamless experience between you and the device. This is the new Timekettle M2.
The only thing certain in life is uncertainty. So, what should you do? Waiting forever for the power to come back on? No problem. We've got you covered. Prepare yourself for unexpected emergencies. Stay connected and safe during unforeseen circumstances. Living off-grid with AC200 enables you to power computers, phones, refrigerators, and more. Producing 2,000 watts of continuous power with a huge 1,700 watt-hour capacity. Capable of powering a wide range of devices and appliances with multiple port options, allowing you to power up to 17 devices simultaneously. Keep your food fresh and cool during prolonged power outages. Bluetti AC200 is a cleaner and quieter generator than fossil-fueled alternatives. Be ready for any kind of power outage or emergency. With 5 different ways to recharge your AC200. Efficient solar charging combined with the built-in MPPT controller is fantastic for outdoor activities. Be fully charged in just 3.5 hours by connecting a 700-watt solar panel. Utilizing LG premium electric vehicle-grade battery cells and an advanced battery management system to protect against overcharging, overcurrent, short-circuiting, and overheated. Your safety is paramount while using the AC200. The built-in touch display allows you to fine-tune your power requirements. Perfect for camping, travel, or anywhere that power is required. Be the life of the party at the barbecue or tailgate gathering. Oops, low battery. Relax, you have Bluetti Power Station. The AC200 works as an emergency backup for electric vehicles, delivering up to 11 extra miles on a single charge. The AC200 will automatically power down when the output is lower than 50 watts for 4 hours. The 2,000-watt output across multiple outlets gives you more access to blenders, pellet smokers, ice shavers, radios, and even projectors. No need for noisy gas-powered generators. Power outages can be disastrous for families who rely on medical devices such as CPAP machines or medical fridge. Keep quiet throughout the night with a temperature-activated cooling fan, remaining silent up to 45 degrees, allowing you to enjoy a quiet and peaceful night's sleep.
Work as we know it has changed. We've moved from closed-door offices where we used to be able to get away and get work done, to open-plan offices, and even worse now that we're starting to work from home. People tend to interrupt us, but if it's not only people, it's digital distractions. Emails, phone calls, going to Facebook, YouTube, all of these mean that it becomes very difficult to concentrate and get deep work done. I've always been fascinated in making things, 3D printing, and electronics, and I combined this with the ability to pull together data. I made myself a small device with a bright, clear display that sat on my desk to not only keep my time, but I realized that people walked up to it and saw it as a do not disturb indicator when I was trying to focus. And I thought, hey, this is a problem that lots of people have. So that's how TimeChi was formed. People have tried lots of different methods to become more productive. Lots of them tend to be apps that are on your phone or a computer. The problem is you get a little bit of apathy and tend to lose them in the background. The nice thing about TimeChi is because it's a physical device, it's always ready. And we've built a lot of psychology into it so that when you press the button, it's got a nice satisfying click which creates an endorphin rush. It's like a game show buzzer, so you feel like you're winning when you're trying to be productive. That makes you not only use it more often, but create good habits. We've created a statistics dashboard that makes TimeChi like a Fitbit for your productivity. This not only tells you when you've started, finished, and if you've incompleted a focus cycle, but also lets you tag what you've done and give a rating of how well you feel that you've done.
So TimeChi is for so many different people. We've already mentioned open plan offices and people needing to get deep work done in a career sense. But of course, students have to spend hours studying on end. And of course, there's always the quantified self people who want to track everything they can. It's a Fitbit for productivity. And as an engineer and software developer, we're quite cliched in being quite precious with our focus and don't like being disturbed at all, as we are trying to grapple with, large abstract concepts all held in our head. So we get someone distracting us, it's all gone. You may be familiar with some reactions you might get when you're disturbing an engineer in deep focus. So that's one of the reasons that I instantly saw the value in TimeChi myself. It's interesting to see how other people use it and tailor it for their own needs.
The power of TimeChi is actually helping people figure out how they use their time and how to use it better. People have become acutely aware of how good or bad they are with their own productivity. And distractions are one of the worst things for killing productivity. And we not only help people figure out how they're being distracted, but stop them from being distracted. That allows them to get deep work done. The old adage is that hardware is hard, but it's becoming easier. But one of the main problems that we faced was trying to figure out how, as a small team, we could actually create a piece of hardware that could be mass manufactured for everyone. And in the meantime, we actually happened to go through a global pandemic, which didn't really help. But luckily for us, we managed to do a lot of our meetings with manufacturers and suppliers prior to the world being shut down.
Along with TimeChi helping create that physical space that you need to work and making that conscious decision to make this a workspace, the idea of timeboxing also helps you get into that routine, and that, along with the physical aspect of the device, helps you build up that good habit by putting yourself in a routine that you're comfortable with. And the more you do it, the easier it becomes.
We've been working really hard in the background to make sure that this product is great. We've been taking feedback from our beta customers to make sure that we put the features and requests that people want into our product. We've also made our connections with suppliers and manufacturers, and we just need your help to get that final push to get this out to everyone.
The ultimate bike experience is here. Introducing the Superstrata, the world's first unibody carbon fiber composite bike, custom made for you. Each one of our Superstrata bikes is 3D printed with continuous carbon fiber to custom fit your size, ride style, and riding experience. Our frame is made for your frame, which means it'll fit you. And you too. Our bikes are created with precision lasers and robots with quality ensured by our PhD-educated pros. That means a single unibody frame with no joints, no bolts and no glue. Just one solid piece of industrial-grade carbon fiber. Made of the most advanced composite materials of any bike on the market, the frame is so light it weighs less than 2 water bottles. Seriously, we tested that. Our unique unibody design makes the Superstrata more impact resistant than any other carbon fiber bike on the market. Super light, super strong, this bike is nothing short of revolutionary. Looking for upgrades? We got you covered. Underneath the strong bones is an intelligent infrastructure for power and data flowing throughout the bike. Add all the gadgets you want after the campaign, or none at all, and focus on the ride. Roads, gravel, touring, or visiting grandmother's house at the top of that really steep hill without even breaking a sweat. Our beautiful battery design fits right into your custom-fitted frame, so you can hardly tell it's an e-bike. With its lightweight frame, comfortable ride, and high-quality specs, the Superstrata is the last bike you'll ever need. It will feel like it was made just for you, because it was.
Hi, I'm Wiener Mondesir, the CTO and co-founder of Superstrata. Carbon fiber bikes have been around for decades. They're known for being lightweight and beautiful. Unfortunately, they're also known for being fragile. One hit and your $10,000 bike, it's in pieces. We've solved that. Our engineers have built a unibody carbon fiber frame that's ultra strong and light. But don't take my word for it. Here's two-time Olympian and world record holder, Sky Christopherson.
To have a carbon bike that's light, but also really tough, is like a dream come true.
Hi, I'm Sunny Vu, CEO for Superstrata. To make the Superstrata possible, we've brought together an incredible team of materials specialists, scientists, engineers, designers. Our designer, Bill Stevens, he's an award-winning designer who's designed bikes like the ones that have won the Tour de France. Our team has shipped millions of units of products in the past, so I am confident we can deliver above your expectations. We just need your support to make this happen, so reserve your custom Superstrata today.